Power outages ruining your adventures? What if you could stay fully powered anywhere? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm revealing the top 6 best solar camping kits for off-grid adventures 2026, so you never run out of energy again. Stick around and grab your perfect kit through the links in description. At number 6 is Anker SOLIX C1000. What if your entire off-grid trip depended on one power source? Would you trust it? Meet the Anker SOLIX C1000 portable power station, a serious contender for your next solar camping setup. First, speed. This thing hits 80% in just 43 minutes. That's not convenience, that's peace of mind when power is critical. Now imagine running almost every essential appliance with its 2,400-watt surge output. Clean, reliable energy anywhere. For off-grid adventures, its 600-watt solar input means full recharge in just 1.8 hours under sunlight. That's freedom. Compared with others, it feels more compact, yet surprisingly powerful. The LIFE-P04 battery offers 3,000 cycles. Long-term trust matters. Downsides? You'll need the app for full control, and it's not the lightest. Still, we stand by gear that proves itself outdoors. If you want reliability, safety, and real performance, this one's a smart buy. On number 5 is Stary LINE 1,800 watts. Ever been stuck in the wild with dead batteries and no backup plan? That's where the Stary LINE 1,800-watt solar generator kit steps in and changes everything. First, power. 1,000-watt continuous with an 1,800-watt peak means your essentials stay alive, from coffee makers to mini fridges. Now here's the twist. Its 200-watt solar panel recharges the 1,024-watt-hour station in just 5 to 8 hours. That's real off-grid freedom. Compared with others, it feels more balanced. Solid output, reliable charging, and rugged build with IP65 protection. But is it perfect? Not quite. It's slightly slower than premium fast-charging units. Still, no fuel, no noise, just clean, stress-free energy. We rely on gear that proves itself outdoors, and this one delivers confidence. If you want dependable power without complexity, this is a smart, safe choice. At number 4 is Anker SOLIX C300. Ever wondered if a power station could be truly travel-ready without compromising on output? The Anker SOLIX C300 portable power station delivers that balance perfectly. Compact yet powerful, it pumps out 300-watt continuous with 600-watt surge, backed by a 288-watt-hour LIFE-P04 battery built for 3,000 cycles. 10 years of reliable off-grid energy. 8 versatile ports, including 3 AC outlets and dual 140-watt USB-C ports, mean laptops, cameras, and drones stay powered seamlessly. Fast recharge hits 80% in just 50 minutes via wall outlet, while a 100-watt solar panel provides sustainable energy on the go. Compared with others, it's 15% smaller yet surprisingly robust, quiet at 25 decibels, and travel-ready. Minor con? The solar compatibility is specific, so plan carefully. For adventurers craving compact, dependable, and long-lasting energy, this is a smart, confident choice. On number 3 is DJI Power 1000 V2. Imagine being deep in the wild, ready to cook, charge devices, or power tools, and your energy source keeps up with every demand. This is exactly where the DJI Power 1000 V2 shines. With a 1,024-watt-hour LIFE-P04 battery and intelligent management system, it powers 99% of appliances safely, while the ultra-fast recharge hits 80% in just 37 minutes. No waiting around for your adventure to start. Dual 140-watt USB-C ports and quiet operation at 26 decibels mean you can stay productive and rested simultaneously. Compared with others, it feels faster, safer, and more versatile, perfect for off-grid life. Downsides? Slightly heavier than ultra-compact units and a premium price tag at $999. For campers, creators, or emergency preppers seeking reliable, long-lasting, and quiet power, this is a confident, smart choice worth every cent. At number 2 is BALDR Solar Panels 200 watts. What if your next off-grid adventure never left you scrambling for power? The BALDR Solar Panels 200 watts might be the game changer you've been waiting for. Lightweight at 9.26 pounds and foldable, it's effortless to carry, yet packs a punch with 200-watt output and monocrystalline cells boasting 23.5% efficiency. Whether charging a portable power station or USB devices directly through PD 60-watt and USB-A 24-watt ports, it delivers dependable energy anywhere. IP65 waterproofing and rugged durability mean rain, wind, or snow won't stop you. Compared with others, it balances portability, output, and resilience seamlessly. The only minor caution is the junction box isn't waterproof. For campers, RVers, or off-grid enthusiasts, this is a confident, practical, and smart solar solution. Now moving to the last one is Anker SOLIX C1000 Gen 2. Ever worried about running out of power in the middle of an off-grid adventure? The Anker SOLIX C1000 Gen 2 portable power station transforms that worry into total confidence. With a 1,024 watt-hour battery and 2,000 watt continuous output via 10 versatile ports, it keeps up with laptops, lights, CPAP machines, and more without breaking a sweat. Ultra-fast recharging hits full capacity in just 49 minutes via HyperFlash tech, while 600-watt solar input recharges it in only 1.8 hours, perfect for true off-grid setups. Compact, 14% smaller and 11% lighter than similar models, it's easy to carry for RV trips, camping, or tiny homes. Compared with others, it combines portability, raw power, and intelligent app-controlled management seamlessly. Minor cons? It's still a bit heavy for ultralight hiking. For anyone seeking reliable, smart, and long-term energy independence, this is a standout, safe, and practical choice. The clear winner is the Anker SOLIX C1000 Gen 2 portable power station. It perfectly balances raw power, portability, and fast solar recharging, making it ideal for true off-grid adventures. With a 1,024 watt-hour LiFePO4 battery, 2,000 watt continuous output, and 10 versatile ports, it handles all essentials reliably. Ultra-fast recharging in 49 minutes and 600 watt solar input for full recharge in 1.8 hours gives unmatched freedom. Compact, lightweight, and intelligently managed via the app, it offers safety, convenience, and peace of mind, outperforming others for campers, RVers, and off-grid enthusiasts seeking long-term dependable energy without compromise. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best solar camping kits for off-grid adventures 2026. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.